Market daily visualization for May 6, 2026, Ken at tourscapital.com. Let's adjust today's price. Now raise the price bar. Amazing. Shift the automatic stop. Adjust the 10-day high. Adjust the automatic long. Move the 2 to 5 day look back. The 10-day look back. Adjust the 10-period regression. Slide the 10-day low. Adjust the PSAR stop for the RL30. The PSAR stop for the moving RL10. Adjust the 30-period simple moving average. Adjust the 20-period lagged regression line. The 30-day look back. Adjust the 30-day low. Adjust the 200 or 150-day look back. And that's what we look like. Pushing against all odds, higher and higher. Adjusting the 150-day slope. That's what that looks like. Astonishing.